One of my all-time favorite pastas is Bolognese. Pasta with meat, so simple and easy. Just take 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan, 1 tablespoon onion, chopped onion, 1 teaspoon garlic. You can go more if you like it. Once it's sweetened, just a little bit crushed chili. Peppers like about half a teaspoon, or as you like. You don't have to put it. I like it. Okay. To this, I'm gonna add a cup of meat, minced meat. जब आपको लगे it's all dry, कोई पानी नहीं है, it's nice brown, and you can smell that cooked meat, I'm gonna dump in marinara sauce. So this, I'm gonna add half a cup of button mushrooms, about 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, look at this beautiful color. I can smell it. I'm gonna add half a glass of leftover pasta water. जैसे पास्ता उबालते हैं उसका फ्लेवर बड़ा अच्छा आता है. So this boiled spaghetti al dente, थोड़ा सा कच्चा रखिएगा हल्का सा. Don't overcook it and cook it with salt. ये इसमें डाल देते हैं. Season with a little salt. Yes. Black pepper. Okay, it's all good, ready to go. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Oof. Nice. Look at this beautiful pasta is ready. I'm gonna serve this. Garnish with black olives and some green olives. All right, let's just finish with some fresh basil. Voila, it's ready. Time to taste this pasta with meat sauce. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to the channel and do share with your friends and family.